Hello my unique queens, QuianaUnique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wonderful DIY for you. I am going to make a maxi duster or cardigan. As you can see, the fabric is folded in half. This is 2 yards of fabric I got from my local Hobby Lobby using the 40% off coupon. This is a stretchy cotton material that you do not have to sew once you cut it. I absolutely love working with this type of material. First thing you're going to do is measure from the top of your shoulders down to your feet. Now I'm simply going to step on the measuring tape so that way I can measure myself. I'm going to stand up nice and tall and make sure I get a proper measurement, and I'm just going to grab it down from my feet, and I have 53 inches. I wanted to go ahead and add some length because I'm going to be wearing heels with this, so I decided to do the whole 60 inches of this. Now, like I said, the fabric is folded in half. I left it folded in half. I just wanted to make sure that it was 30 inches folded. So when we unfold it, it's a total of 60 inches. And then I'm making sure that I measure from the top of the fabric down to the bottom of the fabric, the 60 inches that I measured from my body. Now I'm simply making my marks on the fabric. This is where I will be cutting the fabric off. Yours will differ in length depending on how short or how tall you are. Next, what I want to do is start from the top of the fabric where the fold is, and I'm going to measure 6 inches down, and then start from the back of the fabric, which is where your back will be, 6 inches across. And I'm just going to make sure that these two dots or marks line up. Since it's 6 inches down, 6 inches across. I'm making a nice mark there. From that mark, you are going to want to measure a line of 9 inches. This is going to be your armhole. Now I got the 9 inches simply from measuring one of my t-shirts, the armhole of it. So yours may also vary depending on the size of your arms. But now that I have that, I made a line going all the way down, and I'm simply going to cut through both pieces of fabric straight down that line, and that's going to be my armhole. Next, you want to fold your fabric in half, bring the bottom up to the top, make sure that you straighten out every piece of fabric, and what we're going to do is cut through all 4 pieces of fabric. Just make a nice arch around, and this is going to give your cardigan some shape at the bottom as well as right up at the top. And I'm going to unfold it to show you what it looks like. Now we are all done. All we have to do is put this on. I know right now it looks like a piece of fabric that you just put holes in, but I promise you it is a beautiful cardigan. So I'm simply going to put my arms in the armholes that we cut out and just adjust it on my body to my liking. And you guys, that is it. We have a no sleeve maxi duster, you guys. I absolutely love this. I am going to be wearing this as much as possible. I'm probably going to make me a few other colors, maybe one in a pattern. What I really like about this no sleeve cardigan or duster is that I can wear it. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, I can wear it on the beach with my swimsuit, I can put a belt around it. Sky is the limit. I love this DIY. Definitely try this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I see you guys. I love you guys. And as always, be unique. See you next week.